Alright guys, so welcome back to today's video. I'm your boy Crypto Mechanic, and right here guys, on this video we are going to be talking about the airdrop called the Haven1. Over here guys, you can see I'm on my Satoshi app. There have been some upgrades on the Satoshi app which made it look more modern and more sophisticated. And over here guys, you can see that there are two airdrop which is currently being farmed right here on the Satoshi app. So if you're not farming any of them, make sure to download Satoshi app, create your account, and start farming these two tokens right here. So you can see the first one is actually called the Aka Finance, and the second one is called the Haven1. But the reason why I'm actually making this video is not to explain to you guys how you can actually get to start farming or mining coin right here on the Satoshi app. The reason is for me to tell you how you can be able to participate on the Haven1 incentive testnet. So coming over here right now, you can see, let me show you guys something right here on this Twitter handle. Right, you can see I am on the Satoshi app Twitter handle right here, and over here guys, they say something about the Haven1 airdrop, which they said that Haven1 testnet is the key to claiming Haven1 token airdrop. This simply means that there will be airdrop for people that are gonna be completing the testnet. And right here guys, on this video I'm going to be guiding you on how you can actually go around it. And also for the people mining the Haven1 token on the Satoshi app, congratulations, because you are gonna be making a whole lot of money very soon. I made a separate video that explains how you can actually be able to mine on Satoshi app. Check out my other videos, you are going to be seeing that. And if you want to register yourself on the Satoshi app, I will be leaving the link on the video description so that you can actually get started from there. So coming over here right now, for us to be able to participate on this testnet, you can see right here they made it very clear over here. This is the Haven1 dashboard right here on the Satoshi app. When I click over here on more, you can see that they actually say something about it right here. You can see they say Haven1 is offering exclusive airdrop reward to the Satoshi app community simply by completing the following step, which involve following them on X and also joining the community on dashboard and Telegram, and also joining the incentive testnet, which is the core reason why I'm actually making this video. So to participate on the testnet is so simple. They say something like visit this website haven1.org. You click on register, connect your account, change the network to Haven1 testnet. Now click on verify account and complete the verification process. But still, there are more things that is attached to this. So pay close attention to the video. Let me take you guys through the simple ride on how you can actually be able to go around the whole thing in order to make the most out of it. So the first thing that you need to do from here is to simply go to your MetaMask wallet. So over here guys, what you need to do first is simply go ahead and click over here. You can see right here. So you click right there like this. Go ahead to paste this link right there. So I'll be dropping the link on the video description. Click the video description to get this link. And remember, Haven1 is the project that just came up right there, which is using Satoshi app as a means to distribute their token and also go public. This Haven1 is actually aiming at providing a safe place to for the crypto community in order for them to be safe from rug pulls and hack. All right, so right here guys, this is what you're going to be seeing. So the first thing you need to click from here is to simply click on join testnet over here. So once you click on join testnet, it's going to be loading up right now. It's going to be asking you to the website you actually want to be connecting from. Okay, so what we need to do is simply select MetaMask like this, and once you select MetaMask, this is going to be loading up real quick and it's going to be taking you to the next phase, which is the haven1.org. And when the website opens like this, so this is what you're going to be saying. So you go ahead to click on get started. So once you click on get started, this is going to be asking you the wallet you want to connect. You select MetaMask obviously. Then once you select MetaMask, you go ahead and approve the connection, and right here you can see that our wallet is going to be connected immediately. We confirm this right now. Okay, so we're going to be switching network right now, so easy as this. So all these are automatic and you're gonna be seeing me doing it right now. Okay, so over here right now you can see that we just connected our wallet right now, and immediately you are done connecting your wallet, the first thing you need to do first is simply click on finish sign up. So once you click on finish sign up like this, so over here you can see view our dashboard, all this blah blah blah. So right now you scroll down, you're going to see you're going to be needed to provide your wallet address. Over here the wallet address that is needed is either your Ethereum wallet address or your receiver's core wallet address. So over here guys, you're going to be seeing your referral code. I'll be dropping the referral code as well, and also sometimes it will be here automatically. So over here, this is where you input your email address, and finally you select your country and you select your jurisdiction country. Then right now you click on sign up, and from there you are going to be taken to the next page as soon as possible. Right now you can see that I just created my account right now on this. So right now let me show you guys some things that you need to put in place in order for you to qualify properly. So you can see over here guys, this is the referral code that you are going to be using to register your own account, and over here they have what we call verify identity. A lot of people out there thinks that once they are done verifying their identity that they have actually participated on the testnet, but that is a cap because there are some things that you need to do right here in order for you to gain enough points which you can then use to get enough airdrop allocation. So what you need to do from here is very simple. So what you need to do is simply go ahead to click right here. This is what you're going to be seeing like this. So you can see these are the things that you can actually do in order to earn the testnet, which involves claiming Haven1 token from the token faucet and also exploring the testnet app like bridging, swapping, borrowing, lending. All these are going to be teaming up to give you enough airdrop allocation from the testnet. Remember what I said earlier, that the reward from the testnet is different from the reward that you're going to be getting from the Satoshi app. So if you are participating on Satoshi app and as well participating on this testnet, it means that you are going to be using one stone to kill two birds at the same time. So there are a lot of other things that you can actually do right here in order to earn so well, but for the sake of time, I'm going to be stopping right here to be able to make the video on how you can actually stake and all that later, because you are actually going to be needing Sapolia, Ethereum to pay for gas fees and all that. But I'm going to be making a separate video for that, explaining how you can actually be able to do this. So expect the second video from this, and I will see you guys on my next video dropping very soon. And that is not all. Remember what I said, that you need to make sure that you complete your verification process, which involves the identity verification. So all these are going to be done on the next video dropping soon, and I will be teaching you how you can be able to make the bridging, the swapping, the borrowing and all that. But that's going to be on the later video because this video is becoming too long already. I will see you guys very soon, and watch out for the part 2 of this video about how to participate on Haven1 airdrop. Thank you, and I will see you very soon.